Adele and Mr. Laichena and myself.
Sorry?
Mr. Adele is present. Mr. Laichena is present.
Present, my lady.
And myself.
How do you spell the
L-A-I-C-H-E-N-A, my lady.
L-A-I-C-H?
C-H-E-N-A.
For the second accused, my colleague Mr. Katwa again, and Mr. Jacquie Maribe. You're both present? Present. You are ready to take the plea, Mary.
Please, my lady. In this matter, I appear for the Republic, together with Mr. Mbadi and Mr. Ondina. Mr. Omiti is watching with the family of the deceased. My lady, in regard to the plea taking, the mental assessment has only been done for the first accused. We are yet to request for the second accused. We have about a copy of the mental assessment for the first accused. We are therefore praying that the plea be deferred to allow the mental assessment to be conducted against the second accused.
How much time do you need?
We are praying that with the court's indulgence, we could come back on Monday. We are praying that the second accused be escorted to Mathare Hospital for assessment.
No, I'm not sure that is not harassment. Can we have the photographers move away, please? Yeah, let's have some peace. Is there any opposition to that prayer?
Yes, my lady.
I expect Mr. Kato. I don't see why the others should oppose.
Because, my lady, we have a host of reasons as to why.
Sorry, my lady, correction. Mr. Mbete is appearing for the first accused, and the same has been done. So I believe it's Mr. Katwa and Mr. Omari who are appearing for the second, who should be responding to the same. The mental assessment for the first accused has been conducted.
Yes, my lady, but that situation affects our accused person as well. And we have a reason as to why his has been taken. Why shouldn't he take his plea then? And secondly...
It's a package, Mr. Ombe.
Come again, my lady?
It's a package. I cannot... there is in one charge. It's in one information.
Yes, my lady. And the reason why we would object, or rather will not object, the reason why I would want it to be done even earlier is because, first of all, the accused person, the first accused person, needs medical treatment urgently.
That one you can make an order. So
yes.
It cannot be
so
ground.
Yes.
So he needs medical help.
He needs medical attention because...
It's okay, we don't need to know the reason.
My lady, the reason why is because initially this order has been given by the court. It's an order that had been given by the court that had asked for them to be held. And from the second day of this month, even after referral from the hospital that he be taken for surgical procedures and all that, it has not been done. His hand has gone numb. It is now paralyzed. He is not able to do anything with that hand. There is some swelling inside and a lot of pus that is coming out right now, even as we speak. Such that any delay even to take him to hospital, which will be insisting that the court just insists that he is taken immediately. For that purpose, it would be important that he's taken.
There is medical proof to that, my lady. The referral note from Nairobi Hospital to Kenyatta National Hospital, which can be passed to the court to see. Which we wonder why it was ignored up to date, despite the persistence.
Where is it?
It's there, my lady. It's annexed to that application. The final page.
Is it this one?
The last page.
The last page. Yes, that one, my lady. It's a copy.
From the top, on the left side, you can see the address is to Kenyatta National Hospital.
Because the problem is you are all in disorder because you are all standing and there is a seat. One person at a time. Is the person in charge of the prison here?
It's the police, actually.
Don't worry. The one for prison is... Who is the boss of those ones?
Hapo. Nani amesimamia wa prisons hapo? Nini?
Community ama industrial area. Na nani mkubwa hapa? Who is the senior most? Who is the senior most amongst you?
Now you make sure they let them know.
Yes, yes.
He should be taken for medical attention immediately.
Yes, my lady.
I will grant the prosecution the time they have sought to have mental assessment done on the second accused.
Your Ladyship, you haven't had me.
Sorry.
You haven't had me on that application.
Okay. Are you opposing
Very much so, Your Ladyship.
for the mental assessment?
Yes, Your Ladyship. Your Ladyship, I really don't mind the issue of the mental assessment, but my position is that we should take the plea today, Your Ladyship. And the reason, Your Ladyship, is that my client was arrested on the 29th of September and has been in the exclusive hands of the prosecution for the last 11 days. Your Ladyship, I very much pray that you give some regard to the fact that they have come before you and casually requested you to defer the taking of the plea without giving any reason as to why they haven't done the mental assessment. Your Honor, Your Ladyship, we submit that is being very casual on the rights of the accused, considering the length of time they have held her. Your Ladyship, we are prepared to take the plea, and we have no objection to the assessment being taken later on.